Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP. ABAP tip number 5. So I think everybody has sometimes came across the scenario in the SAP GUI that you have already opened up the maximum number of SAP GUI windows and you would like to start then the ABAP debugger in a new window, and this is not possible, and then you will start the old ABAP debugger. If you still would like to use the new ABAP debugger without ending the ABAP debugger session, there's a trick that you can use to still switch to the standard ABAP debugger. And yeah, once again here, if I try to open up a new window, then you can see the warning that the maximum number of SAP GUI sessions reached. So I can't open up a new window. And if I, for example, within here have a breakpoint for this user, I'm not logged in currently. So I set a breakpoint at line 10, here a session breakpoint. And now if I then go to the SA38, the ABAP program execution, and now if I open up this, then you can see that you get the error message, no additional external session available for new ABAP debugger. So the standard ABAP debugger, this is perfectly fine. As mentioned, I have already opened up the maximum number of SAP GUI sessions, and especially for me, I'm not working with the old SAP debugger. I always work with the standard SAP ABAP debugger. And there's a trick how you can still switch to the newer one, and therefore we have to open up any session that you can close. So here I just open up this one, I close this, and then if you have reduced the number of open SAP GUI Windows sessions, then afterwards you can go to debugging and select switch to standard ABAP debugger. After selecting this, then a new basically ABAP debugger session will open up, and here you are directly within your coding here in the standard, in the new ABAP debugger. So yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Do not miss great upcoming videos. 95 great videos still left about ABAP tips and tricks. So see you in the next video.